stripping the back. Okay, put it there. So this is what I got. It came last Monday. This is what I got. Nothing special, but it's effective. It's a rubber butyl deadener, sound deadener. So I have to remove this. I'm gonna remove the panel. I'm gonna start removing the panel and lay this one. Lay this like this, like that, and so on and so on and so on until I cover the whole car bottom. So I'm gonna start at the back. I'm gonna start at the back first, then I'm gonna make my way to the front. So yes, wish me luck. I think when I finish it's gonna be cool. It's gonna be quieter and nicer to drive. So yes, I'm gonna start stripping the back now. Okay, see you later. Today's job, yes, I already taken those carpets and panel this back of the 4Runner, and also we have a back seat as well. So I'm on my moving to the front. Okay, I took the seat belt out. I took that speaker out there. Yeah, speaker same as this side. Speaker out. Then I'm going to put this guy, this thing. I got it from eBay. So wish me luck. Yes, it's gonna be exciting day ahead. So I'm gonna do the floor as well, and after that this is first stage, and second stage is gonna be the underlay. Yeah, closed foam underlay. Okay. This is the mat. It's a 2.5 2.7 millimeter mat with the rubber. So that's the sticky part, and this is aluminum. Okay, so I'm gonna install one for this side. I think I'm gonna go that way, and yeah, just one piece. Like that. I want it straight up. Oh, change my mind. It's gonna be using a ruler. I'm gonna install a ruler. found the contour. Okay, so that's not gonna go anywhere now. So this is what it sound. Is that the sound? Yeah. So I'm gonna do them all side. That to there, this floor, that side. It's gonna, and then the floor all the way to the front. I got this box of wood from eBay. Cost me $87. Ka-ching. Okay, this is a project budget build 4Runner. Okay, good morning. Continuation of my car interior mayhem. I already removed the front seats, panels, and the carpets. as
Carpet.
well. Oh, carpet. Yes, carpet. And I clean. Oh, yeah. Me and my daughter cleaned the back seat. I'll show you where the back seat is. So we cleaned that back seat already. That's a seat. This is a backrest, and this cargo carpets. And also, I've done the deadener, bottle deadener. It's like this, aluminium then rubberized thing. Okay, and this one is clean as well, as you can see. But look at that carpet, it's filthy. We still need to clean that, clean it nicely. And this the car interior now. Okay, I got this. I managed to take that foam carpet underlay, put the carpet here nicely, but the front, yeah, I couldn't. It's like when I peel it off, it's just, yeah, it's perishing. So I've been doing a plastic spatula to get rid of that. Yeah, I think that's the worst one. This one came off hard as well, but managed to clean it, and it's gonna be like that, like that. And I'm running low. I'm running low of this. Yes. Yeah, this one. This one is clean as well. Check it there. and I managed to remove this for the back underlay. Because I'm running on budget, I'm going to reuse this one. I think it's still good. It's just a foam, you know why? After I lay the vinyl, so I'll show you how to, not how, this is what I've been doing. So I'm going to remove this, then clean it, nice and clean, like that one over here. That's already been cleaned. Then I'm gonna lay the matting below. So yeah, I finished cleaning that, and I'm about to lay this one. And Rihanna, my daughter, helping me out to clean the seats and carpet, and we're using carpet cleaner. Okay, so this is what we've been doing. Do it here. Spray it. Clean. It's very clean. And we starting doing this carpet. Just look at the carpet, it's filthy. Okay, do it proper now. Yes, do it. Let's start on this one first, that side. So it's Friday now. It took me 5 days actually. I've done this in a day, but I need to wait for the stage 2. That one, the foam that goes on top of this. So yeah, check it out. There she is. Yeah, put some there. I'm gonna keep this speaker for now because I'm running out of budget. Yeah, and yeah, the seats. Look at the seats. Looks in good nick. So I'm gonna put. Yeah, I got the some data that goes here. I already started the silver things over there. That's on top of that. That's the second stage. Yeah, so the front to here, then the back, and over here I'm not too worried too much because there's a second stage to go there. Okay, so it's looking good. Yeah, so it's gonna be quiet and cooler. So this is for my second stage. Yeah, just a foam and aluminum on top. It goes like that over here. Okay, I'm gonna cut the shape, and yeah, it's gonna be takes a while, but yeah, it's gonna be good when I'm finished. Okay, wish me luck. All the way to the back. It's gotta be like that there. So the hub, the second stage is on. Yeah, so I'm happy with that. Yeah, the carpet will stop right there. Then yeah, I'm just gonna put the carpet now and see what happened. Yeah, if I need to cover that side, but yeah, so I can put the carpets on now.
Okay, so my dad finished fully installing the carpet. He forgot to video though, so but yeah, he did it successfully. Thanks for watching.